Good morning, Sridhar here. Today I'm coming out with a new video because there was a question which was asked by one of the people who have seen YouTube channels and all that. And the question is how to find resale properties without visiting websites. Meaning he doesn't want to visit 99 acres or Magic Breaks. So how do we find resale properties? Okay. This question, I'm assuming that the person has got lack of computer skills. So this could be one of the reasons that why this question has come in. So for such people who have got, this issue, computer skill issue, my advice to such agents is this. Number one, if you are not technically sound, if you don't have computer skill in 2020, right, you're simply out of the business. There's no point in being in real estate business or any business for that matter. Not only this real estate business, any business. If you don't have computer skill, I do not think you can do business in real estate. I'm so sorry to say this, but 2020 में अगर आप बताएंगे कि मुझे कंप्यूटर नॉलेज नहीं है, कंप्यूटर स्किल नहीं है, तो मैं कैसे करूं? तो इस सवाल का जवाब मैं क्या दे सकता हूं आपको? पता है आपको कितना मुश्किल होगा प्रॉपर्टीज ढूंढने में? हर एक रास्ते आपको घूमना पड़ेगा, हर एक रास्ते रोड जाके देखना पड़ेगा कि रीसेल प्रॉपर्टी कोई फॉर सेल प्रॉपर्टी बोर्ड लगाया हुआ है कि नहीं. सो यू हैव टू स्टार्ट सीइंग every road, going to every road in your area, in your location, and see for sale board, and then note down all that, and then come and talk to that owner and find out. Or when you're going there itself, you should find out whether he is interested in selling the property and all that. You will find it enormously very difficult to do this because it is very laborious. Just ask yourself this question, that how many kilometers you can go in a day, but only for searching properties. Okay, when you go to road by road, when you go in search of properties, then it is going to consume a lot of your time. And is it worth it? After doing all that, is it worth doing it? So you will find it that it's going to be very tough. Okay, so I do not suggest that you should ignore computer skill. Fine, sir, I don't know computer skill. मैं क्या करूं? मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. There are people like that at the age of 58, 55, 60, right? 65. I have got people, who joined my group, my community, and all that. They're finding it very extremely difficult the way I'm talking to them about digital. I'm showing them, how to make a virtual tour link. I'm showing them how to make a poster and all that. They are finding it very difficult to accept it. Okay, they are not able to understand what to do. Okay, but I am advising them that don't worry. See, if you don't have computer skill, the best part is that whatever work that you're supposed to do in computers, you must hire one expert who knows computer. And you should tell him. So does it mean, sir, usko to tanka dena padega, फिर I have to hire that person, means I have to pay salary to that person. So वो कैसे हो सकता है? As it is, we are finding difficulty in selling real estate business. मैं कैसे करूं? ये जवाब आ रहा है. ठीक है? My advice is not to hire them for a month. When you want the requirement, there is a requirement for computer skill. Let's say, for example, I'm saying that if you are actually joining me, and then you want to crack a deal in 30 days time, especially on the rental deal. So what am I suggesting to you? I want you to pull out 20 rental properties which are available either in 99 acres or in Magic Bricks around your location, right? And then pull out this list and send it to me. This is what I'm saying. Okay. Now this is where you are finding difficulty in finding out also, right? Now for this, there is a way to do that. For example, I'll show you one screen here. my God. This is not getting dragged at all, and I'm not able to. Yeah, got it. Got it. Got it. Yes. See, 5r.com. 5r.com. Just put 5r.com. So for doing this also you need computer skill. So this help anybody will do. This where you just go to computer cafe, internet cafe, just tell him, sir, I want to sit and just type out this 5r.com. Remember this. And here you should find out data entry work. Okay. Data entry work, or like that. This is one option. We can find out many things like that. I'll show you what all you can do in this. See, results for data entry work. 66,974 people services are available in this category. So now we'll find out who does what. See, I will do data entry typing work in Excel spreadsheet. Okay, 393 rupees payment karna padega. 393 rupees if you make the payment. This man will do the job for you. So he is somewhere. He's somewhere in the world. Let us click and see where is he available. Okay. Let's see where is he available. So many windows are open up, so its internet is slow. Yeah, got it. So I will do data entry typing work in Excel spreadsheet. Okay. So now what am I doing? See, hello, my name is Kaleem. I'm certified with Microsoft Work as specialist. So he will do, see, Excel data entry work, typing work, copy typing, Punjabi typing, Excel spreadsheet, Excel VBA, PowerPoint presentation, PowerPoint templates, Office design, Microsoft Office, MS Office, pivot tables, data mining, see, and PDF conversion, Word to PDF, PDF, whatever you want, available 24/7. Okay, I can deliver your order within the deadline with 100% accuracy. और payment कितना करना पड़ेगा? Continue 393 rupees. 2 hours of work. So for you, this is only 2 hours of work. What he has to do? Just what you should do? Contact seller. Okay. Now I am typing him the one message. I want you to pull out 20 rental property listed by owners in 99acres.com. Okay, around certain location that I'm going to specify on receiving your reply. On receiving your reply. Okay. Now I'm going to send this to him. Live, I have done. The message has been sent. Okay. Now within 1 hour, he's going to reply back to me. He's going to reply back to me stating that yes, no, and all that. Okay, he's from Pakistan. He says from Pakistan, September 2018. Since then, he's there. Okay, 1 hour. So we have people from all parts of the world. Like for example, yeah, इसको close करके देखते हैं. और कोई है. Where is this guy from? See, this guy is charging 785 rupees. So this guy, Ramesh HR, I will do data entry work also. Do as virtual assistant. So you can, Ramesh HR must be from India. So we'll find out where is he from. Yeah. This fellow is also at 393. Now he also will do online, offline data work, copy paste work and all that. Okay. See, India is, oh my God, he is a member since 2013 in this forte. It's very good, excellent, right? So he has got a lot of, you see, 5 stars he has got. He has given, he has worked, finished at almost 2,125 jobs he has finished like that. Okay. And see, these are all reviews which have been. Ramesh is a great seller and is excellent in his work quality and ethics. I have used him several times and will continue to do so. A biz mentor has written like that. Then digital phishing, United States, simply the best and fastest assistance as well as the best communication. So there are so many plus points about this man. He will do this job for you. All that you need to do is contact me. He is a contact seller, contact me. You just have to tell him what is the job required. Okay. This is one example. Now, next, what I will say, I will tell you that create, create landing page. Okay. Now, this is one other work that you normally have to do this, create landing page. Okay. Now, let's see how many such people are available at what price. Okay. You can pick and choose whom you want. You've got so many options. You see, there are people, see, she's doing, I will create professional capture page or landing page that converts. 393 rupees available. There are also professional people like this who charge about 19,000 rupees. Okay, 15,295. So there is also a person who does for 393. Okay, depending on what kind of job you want, you can always hire these people. 785 is another person who is charging, right? So you got various options like this. See, go further down, you will find 1,177 one person is doing, 393 rupees another person is doing. Okay, so you will get various options like that. Okay. Now let's say that you want to do Facebook ad promotion. Okay, Facebook ad promotion. Okay, search. Okay, so you come to Facebook ad promotion, you've got 17,416 people doing this job in this website. Okay, see, I will create a book promotion banner ad. I will do social media marketing, Instagram promotion. So depending on, suppose, let's say this is 785 rupees. Okay, now let's go and see anybody else who's there. It's still revolving here, loading, because it is 17,000 people are there. So it will take some time to load. You will get whatever type of people that you want, and prices you can choose whom do you want. These are all people with their photographs, with their experience and all that. So now supposing you have a doubt that I've, sir, after making the payment, if it doesn't work, what to do? How can we go after him and then chase? There's nothing to worry about, because Fiverr.com is the platform. It is there. It is a very established platform, and it provides opportunities for people to work online like this. People who are working, sitting at home. There are plenty of people working from home, right? Housewives and all. Especially off late, it is this thing. See, specifically there is one person who says, "I will promote your real estate business." Of course, this is very expensive. It is 47,062 rupees. So we'll not touch about this, but there are also this kind of people also are available. If you want your promotion of website to happen, then they will take care, they will ensure that you will get, for the kind of money that you are paying, you will definitely get leads and all that. So that way they will promote and get you leads for your website. Okay. See here, I'll find perfect audience for your Facebook ads targeting, 393 rupees. That's all. He will create and then we'll do it, help you. Of course, Facebook ad promotion cost and all you have to bear. But for creating one beautiful creative, and then he says that I will find audience and give you. He says 5-star rating is there. So let's open and see what is the review for this person. Money is very safe. Don't worry. If we is supposing after giving money, he has not done the job the way you want him to do, then these people will not pay him money. We have to say, after he delivers the work, we should say, yes, I'm satisfied. Only then these people will pay him the money. Fire people will pay him the money. That's all. Okay, so your money is very safe. So nothing to worry. Do you know why most Facebook ads fail? Answer is bad targeting an audience. I am an expert at Facebook ads targeting and finding relevant audience according to the requirement. I will find the perfect audience for your page. I'll find highly targeted audience. So I'm going to now try to use it, because I'm also tempted to use these services, but I don't know how much you charge. See, there are basic prices. Target audience research. So he will do target audience research for this, 393 rupees. So I'm going to contact him and ask him to tell me. I'm going to give him a specific work. This is the one, Pillar Media. Okay. I'm from India. Okay. I have a property for sale, and I want you to do research, audience research for this property, which is worth rupees 2.75 crores. Okay. Can you do this job for me? What details you require? What details you require? So what he will ask me, he said, give me the property details and all that. He will ask me in reply. Okay, I have asked him now this question. So when he asks me that question, I will send him that. And then after that, what happens? He will find out research and all that, and then he will say that, okay, I'm willing to find a target audience for you, and I'll give you this list in so and so time and all that. Then I accept that order. I pay 393 rupees plus taxes. That money I will be paying, right? After I make the payment, then he will take 2 days, because he says he requires 2 days to deliver. So he will do a research and all that, and he will work for about 2 days, and within 2 days he will deliver. So if he doesn't deliver within 2 days, then I can give him a negative review. So I placed an order, but he didn't work for it and all that, I can say. So for the fear of not getting this kind of negative review, he will definitely deliver within 2 days to me. Okay, that's how this website works. So you get freelancers here. So please make use of, under this sky, whatever you want in this website, whatever work you want him to do the job, right? You can just go find services here and do this job. Make use of this website. Okay. Okay, I hope you found this information very useful, and if it has been useful, then type in the comment box that it's been very useful and you are going to utilize this. And if you have more questions to ask me and all that, type your questions in the comment box and I'll answer yours. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.